everyone, thank you for joining me today. It is May 12th and it is National Limerick Day. I want you to either find or create a limerick and then I want you to illustrate it. Here's an example. Tim wore rubber bands on his wrist for each item on his to-do list, but the more he forgot, the bigger it got, so now it's a big rubber fist. Remember, I want you to either find or create a limerick and then I want you to illustrate it. For our events in history today, we celebrate Florence Nightingale's birthday. She was born in 1820 and she was considered the founder of modern nursing. She was an English nurse. I want you to find at least 2 inspiring quotes from Florence Nightingale. In 1922, a 20-ton meteorite landed near Blackstone, Virginia, creating a 500 square foot crater. I want you to find at least 3 other meteor craters in the United States. In 1980, Maxie Anderson and his son Chris began the first nonstop balloon flight across North America. I want you to find who was the first person in an untethered hot air balloon. I also want you to find what they're made out of and at least 2 other interesting facts about hot air balloons. Our motivation, taken from 365 Days of Wonder, is from J.R. Miller, taken from The Beauty of Kindness. J.R. Miller says, "The world does not know how much it owes to the common kindness which so abound everywhere." I think sometimes there are acts of kindness that go unnoticed. Today, I want you to be super conscious of how people treat you and how people treat each other. And when you see an act of kindness, I want you to acknowledge it and I want you to show some gratitude today. Thank you as always for staying connected with me as we learn, laugh, and lift each other up. And I hope you have a great and fantastic day.